How to get free gift stuffs on Temu application. Hey guys, let's get started. Temu application provides you with this opportunity to earn free gifts and stuffs. For this, log in with your credentials to the Temu app and tap on the profile or the profile button. After that, you must see an option called as earn credits and free gifts. Here are different options that you can choose according to your convenience. I'll be choosing the first option. So from this, you can get at least 5 free gifts. Choose the 5 products that you can get as free gifts. So, as a first step, you have to choose your 5 picked gifts or free gifts that you want. Once that is done and you have picked all the 5 gifts, you will get an opportunity to invite friends. So, for this, you can either share the link of the demo application that is given on the screen, or what you can do is send the referral code. This way, you are eligible to get the free gifts. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.